That's a limiting belief that I used to struggle with as well. Your consistency will skyrocket. You improve it by up to 65%. I want to learn English or I want to become fluent in English are not good goals. What's going on, guys? It's Radek here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing super well. I'm very excited about today's video because today I'm going to share with you 5 tips on how you can be more consistent with learning English. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Number 1, have a goal. And I know that for some of you, it's painfully obvious. But guys, I had to mention that because there are so many people who don't have goals, don't set goals, they don't know why they learn English. They don't know what they need English for. And if you're like, I don't need a goal, I just learn English because I like it, then good for you. But if things start to get tough, if you hit your first plateau, or if you stop seeing progress, then you're gonna need a reason to keep going. And having a goal will help you get through those difficult times. So that's why it's so important. And let me make myself clear. I want to learn English or I want to become fluent in English are not good goals. They're just too vague. You have to be more specific. So ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Why do I want to become fluent in English? Why is it important to me? What do I want to achieve through English? Because learning a foreign language should never be the end goal. It should only be a means to an end. So please keep that in mind. Number 2, have a plan. Once you've set your specific goal and you know exactly why you want to become fluent in English, you need a plan to organize your language learning journey. You basically need to know what you're gonna be doing on a daily basis in order to achieve your goal. I recommend creating monthly plans, and that's exactly what I do. At the end of each month, I sit down here at my desk and I come up with a plan for the next month. I've actually made a video about how to create a study plan, which you can watch somewhere here. I never know which side it's gonna be on. I guarantee you guys, when you create one for yourselves, your consistency will skyrocket because you will know exactly what you need to do and you will achieve your goals that much faster. Number 3, track your consistency. It's such a small and seemingly insignificant thing that unfortunately is very often overlooked, but it actually has many benefits. For example, if you track your consistency, you improve it by up to 65%, which is crazy. It will keep you focused on your daily tasks, it will boost your motivation, and you will be way more likely to practice English even if you don't feel like it, because you will not want to mess up your successful streak. I use my consistency calendar, which you can get absolutely for free. The link is in the description. And if you download this one, at the end of the year, I will send you a new one for 2024. So guys, if you want to improve your consistency, start tracking it. Number 4, and this one will be very quick. Don't say that you're a person who is not consistent, that you've always been undisciplined and inconsistent, that this is who you are and you can't change it. That's a fallacy. Discipline is a character trait that you can develop by doing things that require discipline. So don't ever think that some people just have discipline and others don't because that's how they were born. That's a limiting belief that I used to struggle with as well. But the truth is that we can be disciplined if we want to. And last but not least, number 5, don't try to be perfect. This journey consists of peaks and valleys, and there will be days when you feel great and crush all of your goals. But there will also be days when you don't do what you're supposed to do and you'll feel like a failure. But the most important thing is to never look at it through the lens of one day. Always keep your goal in mind and try to see the big picture. Even if you fall off track for a day or two, it's not the end of the world. Just get back on track and keep moving forward. That's what matters. And let me finish with this, guys. always try to draw conclusions from your wins and losses. If you've been doing great, ask yourselves why everything has been going so well. If things don't go your way, ask yourselves why that is. Extract the lesson, make necessary adjustments, and keep going. So that's all I got for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all the likes, all the comments. I really appreciate that. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below or DM me on Instagram. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and I hope it helped. Why do I always say that's all in this video? You gotta be more creative.